Good morning, Professor Gaspar Perez and classmates. Today, we are going to present our topics of nutrition. We are group number 7, and the members of the group are Shaban Rup, Lopez Heixel, Reluz Jose, Rico Michel, and my person Chandler Reina. The topics that we are going to present in this occasion are fruits and vegetables, vitamins and nutrients, dried fruits and nuts, meat and poultry, fish and seafood, and in this slide you can see the name of the person who is going to talking about every topic. To begin with the topic of fruits and vegetables, it is important to know that fruits come from the flowering part of a plant and contain seeds. In contrast, vegetables are the edible part of a plant, such as roots, leaf, stem, and bulbs. Fruits and vegetables are very important or very essential food to keep a good health. It's for this reason that nutritionists recommend to eating at least 5 times a day fruits and vegetables. Also, it's very important to know that fruits and vegetables are low in calories and fat, but high in fiber. However, fruits are high in natural sugars. And now, if I want to speak about fruits. Fruits contain nutrients like vitamin A for skin and eye health, also several B vitamin for production of energy and also for correct functioning of nervous system, vitamin C for immune system or for maintain a good immune system, and also for the health of skin, bones, and teeth. In the other part, vegetables contain vitamin C, provitamin A, named beta-carotene, also folates, vitamins like B1 and 2, potassium, and a small amount of calcium and iron. Something very important is that fruits and vegetables contain antioxidants. Antioxidants are natural or man-made substances that can delay or prevent the cell damage or reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart diseases, diabetes, and cancer. Examples of antioxidants are vitamin A, C, and E. And now, some examples of fruits and vegetables are strawberry, banana, grapes, watermelon, oranges, broccoli, cucumber, lettuce, onion, and peppers. In conclusion, we must incorporate both fruits and vegetables into our daily diet to avoid diseases, to maintain a good weight, a good health, also to maintain our body functioning correctly, and to have energy.
Fish and seafood. What is? Seafood means any form related to marine life that humans consider food. It includes edible aquatic animals but excludes mammals. It includes both oceanic and freshwater creatures. It consists mainly of shellfish and fish. How are they classified? They are classified in fish, crustaceans, and shellfish. Examples of fish are tuna, salmon, cod, and tilapia. Crustaceans examples are shrimp, crabs, lobsters, and prawns. And samples of shellfish are oysters, mussels, clams, and squid. Nutritional benefits. First, high quality proteins. They are excellent source of proteins of high biological value, essential for the growth and repair of tissues. Second, healthy fats. Fatty acids such as salmon, trout, and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for cardiovascular health and neurological development. 3. Vitamins and minerals. They are a source of vitamins B12, B6, and B3, as well as vitamin D and vitamin E, important for the immune system, bone health, and antioxidant protection. Also, a source of minerals such as iodine, selenium, zinc, iron, and phosphorus, essentials for various bodily functions. 4. Disease preventions. They can help prevent diseases such as obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, Alzheimer's disease, and some forms of cancer. Risk and precautions. First, seafood allergies. Second, contaminants and heavy metals. 3. Infections and parasites. 4. Marine biotoxins. And 5. Environmental impact and sustainability.
Vitamins are essential organic compounds for the proper function of the human body, but the body cannot produce them in sufficient quantities, so they must be obtained through diet. Each type of vitamins play specific roles in the body, such as maintaining vision, calcium absorption, and protection cells against oxidative damage. Vitamins are essential nutrients that play a crucial role in the numerous functions of the human body. A balanced diet and healthy lifestyle habits are key to ensuring an adequate intake of vitamins and promotion of overall well-being. Awareness of the importance of proper nutrition can help prevent diseases and improve long-term quality of life. Classification of vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins include vitamins A, D, E, and K, which dissolve in fat. Fat-soluble vitamins are found mainly in fatty foods such as fish, dairy products, and vegetable oils. Water-soluble vitamins include the B vitamins and vitamin C, which dissolve in water and are found in fruit, vegetables, and whole grains. Importance of vitamins for different body systems. Vitamins play a crucial role in the health of the skin, hair, and nails by participating in the production of collagen and other structural components. Additionally, vitamins are fundamental for the immune system, as they help fight infection and diseases. They are also important for bone and cardiovascular health, as well as for maintaining good vision and brain function. A balanced diet is recommended, including a variety of foods rich in vitamins such as fruits, vegetables, dairy products, lean meats, and healthy fats. Moderate sun exposure is important for vitamin D synthesis in the skin, but caution should be taken to avoid sunburn. Adopting healthy lifestyle habits such as regular exercise and avoiding excessive alcohol and tobacco consumption is also crucial for maintaining overall good health.
Good morning, my name is Ruth Chavas. I will talk about dry fruit and nuts. Consuming dry fruit and nuts can have a significant impact in our bodies. If taken properly and in sufficient amounts, they can help us in improving our health and prevent us from a lot of disease. You can consume dry fruits and nuts in between your meals or before your breakfast to supplement your regular diet. Importance of dry fruit in our diet hold a lot of nutritional benefits as they are rich in vitamins, proteins, fiber, and minerals. I will share with you some of the benefits of dry fruits and nuts on your body and health. Help in fighting diseases and boost immunity. The benefit of dried fruits and nuts cannot be overlooked as they are loaded with a lot of essential nutrients. Dry fruit being rich in nutrients such as potassium, magnesium, calcium, and iron can assist you in boosting your immunity and fighting off various diseases. Some of the antioxidants found in dry fruits such as walnut and almonds give a boost to your immunity, making your body free from frequent illness. Improve heart health. There are a lot of advantages of dry fruit when it comes to heart health. Raising and dates help in reducing overall cholesterol in the body, thereby maintaining healthy blood pressure. Almond being rich in vitamin E prevent sudden spike in the cholesterol levels in the body. The risk of the risk of heart disease, stroke and heart attack is reduced to a significant extent if you add nuts and dry fruits in your diet.
Now, I, Hazel Lopez, am going to talk about meat and poultry. Generally speaking, any animal flesh could be considered as meat. We typically use the word meat to refer to the flesh of mammals and birds. Most of the meat we consume is animals' muscle tissue. Muscle tissue is made up of water, protein, and fats. Poultry is more fast twitch muscle, and red meat is more slow twitch. The main determinant of color in meat is the concentration of myoglobin. There is a higher concentration of myoglobin and fat in the low twitch muscle. Red meat is the muscle meat of mammals. This category includes beef, pork, lamb, veal, mutton, and goat. Protein is found in every cell in the human body. It is vital for many important bodily functions, including blood clotting, vision, immune response, fluid balance, growth and development, and the production of hormones, antibodies, and enzymes. Meat is a good source for gut health because it's non irritating, easy to digest, and supports healthy insulin levels without promoting blood glucose spikes. It also provides all of the macronutrients and micronutrients we need, including some that are difficult or impossible to obtain from plant foods. Poultry is also an excellent source of complete protein. A complete protein is a protein that supplies all nine essential amino acids the body can make on its own. Health risks. Number one, fecal contamination and food poisoning. We know that poultry is one of the most common sources of food poisoning. There's a reason one of the first rules of food safety is to keep raw chicken away from other foods. E. coli, Salmonella, Campylobacter, and Clostridium bacteria can all cause painful illnesses in humans, including diarrhea, stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and possibly urinary tract infections. We have also antibiotic resistant bacteria. We know that at the scale at which the farms operate, most farmers don't bother to provide veterinary care for the individual animals. Instead, they feed antibiotics directly to birds to ward off bacterial infections. We also have the high cholesterol and heart disease. Red meats are high in saturated fats, which can cause elevated levels of LDL, which we also know as bad cholesterol, and put you at risk for cardiovascular disease. We also have avian influenza, that we know that highly pathogenic avian influenza, commonly known as avian flu, is currently a very bad infection around the world and has potentially become the next pandemic for the birds. Viruses like this can mutate to infect other species, and avian flu is already transmitting to other mammals like ducks and skunks. Work injuries. Sometimes workers suffer severe injuries, including knife injuries, slips, falls, blood soaked floors, and injury from repetitive motions. We also have raised risk of cancer because red meat and have been found that if you eat high levels, it can produce cancer, associated with breast cancer, colorectal cancer, uterine cancer, lung cancer, and also the processed meats are categorized as level 1 carcinogens. And we also have associated with having obesity. If you currently eat more than 90 grams cook weight of red or processed meat a day, it is recommended that you cut down to 70 grams. Chicken should be around 200 grams to 250 grams a day. There are things we can do to help meat and poultry production be more sustainable and ethical. We could reduce our weekly meat or poultry intake each week by one portion a day. Also, buying organic meat and poultry may reduce the amount of environmental damage done by the synthetic chemicals they use as the fertilizer and pesticides. We also can check where our meat and poultry has come from and try to buy range-free meat and poultry if possible. Healthy ways to cook meat and poultry. Choose a lean cut of meat or poultry. Grill your meat rather than frying it. You can also use an air fryer, or you can bake, or you can broil. You can also use a low fat marinade to give your meat and poultry a great flavor. They help tenderize the meat and keep it moist during cooking. When you are roasting your meat or poultry, sit it on a metal rack above the roasting pad so the fat drips off. And when we are also making slow cooking stews, curries, or casseroles, try putting less meat or poultry and more vegetables and pulses. In conclusion, no other food group is nutritious enough and geographically accessible enough to recommend as a healthy foundation for an optimal human diet.